3 and...
Okay, that makes sense, but what's crazy is you sharing the...
Oh my gosh. This is what her counter was like.
Sit. Okay.
Thank you. Stay.
I'm gonna cry.
That's kind of nice.
I love that one. This
Let's
like
do
feels
this
nice.
one. Yeah, this is flat.
We're in a... Hi, baby. The time tonight for dinner. Sauce by Kinty. Chicken salad.
Yeah, you're still on this.
I should have already carrot out for Lou because she really does like carrots. Carrot eater. What? Yeah.
Where's Texas? There it is.
Mount Rushmore. Always dreamed of coming to South Dakota. Finally made it. Switching from old broken phone, 13 Pro Max, to iPhone 17.
Yeah. Breakfast.
Right now we're worried because we don't know if Kent can handle this.
That banana was brown.
We're doing it with syrup.
Fun.
Leaving the Black Hills National Forest.
We loved it.
We're heading to North Dakota today. We're gonna pop through Bismarck and then hopefully shoot out to Minneapolis or Minnesota.
On today's menu for breakfast is
So good.
peanut butter banana toast. What was your favorite part of South Dakota?
Mount Rushmore. Absolutely Mount Rushmore.
Mount Rushmore was the weirdest thing I've ever seen. It was interesting.
Black Hills are cool.
Yeah, the Black Hills are amazing. So yeah, we love South Dakota. Ever made cold brew on the road? Thanks to the gas station attendant for giving us one of their coffee filters.
System in my living room out of literally I took it from